Hey friends, welcome back to another show. I'm super excited that you're tuning in with me today because guess what? We're going to do another fun activity. So we're going to begin by going over our kindergarten readiness goals. And the first goal you're going to learn about today is writing your numbers. So on here you can see just a few numbers that we're going to write today. And then before you write your numbers, you need to learn how to recognize your numbers. So you need to be able to look at those numbers and tell me what number you see. And then the last thing we're going to do is you are going to follow simple directions. All right, so those are actually 3 kindergarten readiness goals we're going to learn about today. And now we are going to look at the materials you will need today. So, do you have one of these at your house? Yours may not, oh, mine's upside down. Yours may not look like this, but this is called a magic board. And what you do with it is you use this little pencil, if I can get it off, and you can write, I'm going to write my name. You can write on this magic board and then you can erase it. It's magic. So if you have one of these at your house, you will need to go get it. This is actually all you will need today to do this fun activity with me, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to snap my fingers, close my eyes, and count to 10. And you're going to go find your magic board, and then when I'm all done, you should be back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you back? All right, that's great. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work with numbers, and you don't have to have these numbers. Only Miss Bacon needs these numbers. What you're going to do is you're going to tell me what number you see, and then you're going to write it on your magic board. That's all we're going to do today. It's not a hard activity. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and tune in. All right, so we're going to start out with this number right here. First, you need to tell me, what number do you see? What number do you see? You're exactly right. That's the number 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up your magic pen and you are going to write the number 3. So you're going to start at the top and you're going to write the number 3. And guess what? It's okay if you can't write the number the way it really looks, but you can at least try. You are trying to write the number 3. You're doing a great job. I like the way you're working. All right, now we're going to move on to the next number. Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 7. Woohoo! Look how smart you are. All right, so you're going to pick up your magic pen and you're going to write the number 7. You're going to make a line over and down. That's how you write the number 7. Right. Do you know what number this is? That's right. It's the number 8. So we have to erase our number 7 and write the number 8. 8 looks like a snowman. Remember? It has a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. That's the number 8. Do you know what number this is? That's right. That's the number 5. So I'm going to erase the number 8 and we're going to write the number 5. We're going to start by making a line over and a line down and a little stomach. That's the number 5. Look at you go. All right, we're going to erase the number 5 before I put my new number down. We're going to erase the number 5. I hope you're working with me. Do you know what number this is? It has a circle at the top. That's right, it's the number 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the circle at the top. That way you know it's the number 9. And then you give them a little and guess what? If you don't like writing your number 9 like my picture, you can even write the number 9 like this. Circle at the top and a straight line down. Because that's what a number 9 really looks like. That's the number 9. All right, going to erase the number 9. Do you know? Whoa, this is a big number. Do you know what number that is? That's right. It's the number 10. So we're going to make the number 10. The first number it has is the number 1. Number 1 has a straight line down. And the next number it has is a number 0. And a 0 is a big circle. And that's how you write the number 10. Right. Next number we're going to work on, let's erase the number 10. The next number we're going to work on has a circle at the bottom. Do you know what number that is? That's right, it's the number 6. The number 6 has a circle at the bottom. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to go around and down. And a circle. That's how you make the number 6. All right. We're going to erase the number 6. Do you know what number this is? That's right. It's the number 2. So let's write the number 2. Number 2 is going to start at the top. And we're going to go around, down, and make a line. That's how you write the number 2. Great job. Now we're going to erase the number 2. And we're going to work on this number. Do you know what number that is? That's right. It's the number 1. So we're going to write the number 1. It's just a straight line down. That's an easy number. Now we're going to erase the number 1. And our last number. Do you know what number this is? Don't look at this number right here. Do you know what number that is? That's right, it's the number 4. But what Miss Bacon did was I wrote the number 4 a different way because you guys probably see it wrote like this more than you see it wrote like this, okay? So we're going to write the number 4 just like this, okay? And I'm going to show you an easy way to write the number 4. Make a straight line over and make a short line up, a little line. And then make a long line up, okay? So you did a line over, and then a short line up, and a long line up. And that's how you make the number 4. All right, and then when you're done making your number 4, you can erase it. All right, friends, so guess what? We wrote numbers 1 all the way to 10 today, and you did a fantastic job. I'm super excited that you tuned in with me today and you worked with me all the way to the end of the show. Guess what? If I went too fast, you can always pause it, go back, or watch it all over again. I hope you enjoyed today, and I hope you learned a lot about writing your numbers. Make sure you practice because practice makes perfect. And it's the end of our show, so I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.